So let's just talk about single inheritance in Python. So that is one simplest version of inheritance. So here we have one single child class, and the child class inherits the properties from one single parent class. So here this child class will inherit all the properties and methods of the parent class. So like an example, suppose you have one class vehicle, and inside that we have one method start prints vehicle started, and we have another class car, and the car has the method drive. So here it prints car is driven. Now if we want the car class to have all the properties and methods of this vehicle class, we can use single inheritance. So to inherit that, here we can mention the vehicle class. Now this child class car can access the properties and methods of this vehicle class. So we can create one object c1 of the car class, and now we can use the object. We can call the drive method, which is belongs to this car class. And not just this, we can use the object. Also we can call the start method, which is belongs to this vehicle class, and that is possible because of this single inheritance. So you can see here we have the output car is driven, vehicle is started. So this is the way we can use the single inheritance in Python. See you in the next one. Take care.